Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be comparing two prominent project management tools, Smartsheet and Microsoft Project. Both of these platforms offer very powerful features that can change the way you handle your projects. However, determining which one is better suited for your needs can be a daunting task. Don't worry though, because in this video, we are going to delve deep into the functionalities, strengths, weaknesses, as well as the overall user experience of both Smartsheet and Microsoft Project. And once we're done going through all of that, you'll have a better understanding of which tool is better suited for your project management needs. First things first, let's go over what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management software and has gained popularity for its versatility as well as user-friendly interface. It emphasizes collaboration, workflow, automation, and offers a wide range of features that's suitable for diverse project needs. One of its standout strengths is the ability to create interactive and dynamic sheets, providing a flexible and intuitive approach to project planning. Smartsheet also offers integrations with other popular tools, enhancing its compatibility and extending its capabilities. However, its dependency on spreadsheets may present limitations for more complex projects, and certain features might require a steeper learning curve for newcomers. Now that we've covered that, let's explore Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is a well-established project management software that has been a staple in the industry for decades. As part of the Microsoft Office suite, it offers robust project planning as well as scheduling capabilities, which allows users to create intricate project structures. The Gantt chart view and resource management tools are particularly valuable for tracking progress and allocating resources effectively. Moreover, Microsoft Project offers seamless integration with other Microsoft tools, enhancing the overall user experience. Although the software can be overwhelming for novice users, and its pricing structure may deter smaller organizations or individual users. Now that we've covered what both of these tools are, let's go ahead and talk about the comparison between their features. To determine the better tool, it is crucial to compare the features and functionalities of both Smartsheet and Microsoft Project. So let's go ahead and explore some of the key areas. First things first is the project planning and scheduling. Smartsheet offers a flexible spreadsheet-based approach with customizable templates and dependencies. Collaboration features and real-time updates make it ideal for agile project management. Meanwhile, Microsoft Project provides a more comprehensive Gantt chart view, critical path analysis, and resource allocation capabilities. It is well suited for complex projects that require detailed planning and scheduling. Next is collaboration and communication. Smartsheet focuses on collaboration with features like @mentions, comments, and file sharing, which enables real-time collaboration among team members. On the other hand, Microsoft Project's collaboration features are available through Microsoft Teams, allowing teams to communicate and collaborate seamlessly. As for resource management, Smartsheet offers a more basic resource management set of features. Though it might be more basic, it still allows users to allocate and track resources. It also provides visual overviews and utilization reports. Meanwhile, Microsoft Project provides more advanced resource management tools, including resource leveling, cost management, and visual heat maps. When it comes to reporting and analytics, Smartsheet offers robust reporting capabilities with customizable dashboards, charts, and graphs. This allows users to track project progress as well as performance effectively. On the other hand, Microsoft Project provides a more comprehensive reporting and analytics set of features, allowing users to generate detailed reports, analyze project data, as well as identify potential bottlenecks. And of course, we'll want to take a look at the pricing as well as the support features that both of these tools have, especially since pricing is a crucial factor when choosing a project management tool. Smartsheet offers different pricing tiers, including individual and business plans, with varying feature sets. Meanwhile, Microsoft Project is available through a subscription based model as part of Microsoft's 365 suite. However, it is worth noting that the cost of Microsoft Project can be higher, especially for small teams or individual users. In terms of support, both Smartsheet and Microsoft Project offer extensive documentation, online resources, and customer support options. Smartsheet provides various support channels, including live chat and phone support. Meanwhile, Microsoft Project offers support through its comprehensive knowledge base and community forums. So after the in-depth comparison of Smartsheet and Microsoft Project, it's pretty clear that both tools excel in different areas. Smartsheet stands out for its user-friendly interface, collaborative features, and flexibility, which makes it a great choice for teams seeking agility and simplicity. On the other hand, Microsoft Project shines with its robust planning, scheduling, and resource management capabilities, making it an ideal choice for complex projects. Ultimately, though, the choice between Smartsheet and Microsoft Project depends on your specific project requirements, team dynamics, as well as your budget constraints. It's also very important to consider factors such as project complexity, collaboration needs, reporting capabilities, and pricing before making a decision. Just remember, project management tools are meant to enhance your efficiency and productivity. So, of course, you want to choose the tool that aligns best with your organization's goals and project management style. And that about wraps up our comparison of Smartsheet and Microsoft Project. Choosing a project management tool can be quite a daunting task, so it's important to choose the right tool for your needs. By considering the factors that we talked about today, we can narrow down the choices that we're going to make and find the perfect tool for your team. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on the strengths and weaknesses of both tools, which in turn will help you in making an informed decision. And as always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, ding the notification bell, and let us know in the comments down below if we missed anything about both of these tools.